Hello and welcome to drillingcontractor.org. I'm Ava Vig reporting from the IADC Asset Integrity and Reliability Conference in Houston. I'm here with Jeff Sattler, who spoke at the conference about the application of augmented and virtual reality in the drilling industry. Jeff, thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
What is the definition of virtual and augmented reality?
Well, I'll try to keep it quite simple, but the virtual reality is to create and immerse the user in a reality that's not there, to make you feel as if you're someplace you're not. The definition of augmented reality is to add information to what you perceive with your senses. Easiest example for the younger crowd is Pokemon Go, and for most everybody, they understand the first down marker on TV football games.
And what are the hardware limitations that currently limit the use of virtual and augmented reality in the drilling industry today?
For virtual reality, the video is very good. Lots of strides have been made in that in just the recent 18 months or so. The difficulty there, hardware-wise, is how does a person interact within that software? How do I grab things? How do I move? And what kind of sense feedback do I get from the program? So that's the limitation. All those limitations are finding workaround solutions by the software people. On the augmented reality side, the biggest handicap that we have is the lack of electrical classification. There are no devices today that are rated for Class 1 Div 2 electrically, which means that in the drilling floor, in most drilling applications, you just simply cannot have augmented reality glasses because they're a safety hazard. There's also problems associated with processing speed, battery life.
And what are the main applications of virtual reality in the drilling industry?
Virtual reality is pretty straightforward. The strength there is training applications for simulation. To the extent that we're effective in immersing people and providing an immersive experience, then you get the opportunity to experience a situation in a potentially emotional or difficult situation, and then you get those types of human factors in addition to the simple technical challenges.
And I understand there's no application currently of augmented reality in the drilling industry, but what do you see in the future for this?
When you speak with people, the possibilities are nearly endless. Think about those applications when you could do a better job at whatever you're doing if you only had more information accessible to you at the time of the decision-making process. Difficulty that we have is how do we provide people information today, and where does it come from? To the extent that those can be delivered at the moment of decision, then that's going to be large applications throughout many different places.
Well, Jeff, thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
And thank you, viewers, for joining us on drillingcontractor.org.